Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial from Finance for Beginners. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can sign up and create a new account on the EHA Markets Trading App. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the EHA Markets Trading application on your smartphone. And once you are taken into the sign up page, you can use your email address, your phone number, or you can also use your Google, Facebook, as well as Apple ID to sign up through a shortcut. If you choose your email, just enter your preferred email address within the given section and then type in your preferred account password underneath. You can then tap on the sign up button, and now this will take you into the application as well as the beginner's guide. You can skip the guide or go through it by tapping through the next button. And now you will be asked to enter your basic information. You can fill this up right now, or you can skip this by tapping on the cross icon as well. Now, when you are prompted to make your deposit, once again, you can do this right away or later by skipping it. And now you can choose between real trading, credit trading, as well as demo trading. It is recommended to proceed with demo trading if you are new to this application. Now, you might not get a notification, but you will still need to verify your account after signing up. To do this, tap on the profile icon at the top left corner and then tap on Basic Information. You will now see the email section where it says Not Verified. Tap on this button and now tap on Send Verification Code. You will now be asked to check your inbox to find your verification code. So just check your inbox and you will find an email from EHA Markets which has your verification code. So just type in this code within the given box and then tap on Confirm. You will now be told that your email has linked successfully, and this means that your account has become verified. And now you can start trading on the EHA Markets app. So there you have it. That is how easy it is to sign up and create a new account on the EHA Markets Trading app. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I will see you again in the next one.